Hello guys, welcome to the video. Today we will talk about some difference between Bricks Builder and EtchWP, the key difference that you will find here. Maybe this is a part one of some videos that I will do the next days, but if you want to know this key difference here, watch the video. But before, remember, if you want to contact with me to start your next development project, you can do here on owp.com and start your next project in Bricks Builder on EtchWP with us as a white label agency. We work for you like your magic hands that you will have, and you can deliver your project in time or accept more projects in your little agency if you are one, or if you are a freelance and need to take more projects but doesn't have time, you can contact with us and we can do this for you. So let's start to talking about EtchWP and Bricks Builder and some key difference or similar things that have them. Sorry. Okay. The first thing that I want to talk of them is the community. Bricks and EtchWP has a really nice community. Bricks has a really nice community and a really good leadership from Thomas. He's a good leadership and owner, really transparent, good communication, with no FOMO or no things like that, not bad tricks behind the scenes, and have a really good communication, and the team and the community has a really good speed on his development and his feedback. And when you report some bugs, they fix it on the next version, and it has a really good speed on his change on and update. And also the community from Bricks, a lot of people come from Oxygen before the problem that they have, and Oxygen community was a really good participation and help each other, and this is a really good point on Bricks Builder. In the other hand, EtchWP also has a really good community, a private community on his inner circle platform, and the people on EtchWP is really nice, really respectful, more than in Bricks. I told you that because on Bricks sometimes I receive some hate when I publish any video or do a post. Maybe sometimes I receive a little of hate or bad answer. But in EtchWP, for now, all the things that they publish or answer or question some stuff, they are really respectful, and this is a really good thing. We need to see on the future when grow the community what's happened, but for now it's a really nice. And the leadership, Kevin Gary, is really nice, really good leadership. And he is well known about his innovation and his really advanced tutorial that maybe a lot of you learn with him, and this you will learn a lot with his tutorial. And this they have some products already that was a game changer, like automatic CSS, get frames with for wireframing, and this both for Bricks add-ons. It's like a Bricks add-ons to do your framework CSS and the wireframing too, and support different builders. And now it's the leadership of Etch too. Okay, the next thing that I wanna tell you is for who is these builders. In Bricks Builder, it's thinking to beginner people that are starting on or come from Elementor, but also for people who want to learn more and do things more advanced than this. It's an hybrid of people that need something, a tool that not take a lot of time to learning. If you're a beginner, you will feel comfortable with this tool, but if you need to do things more advanced, you can do it. Dynamic sites, first class, good standards on his development, and has some widgets and elements that are advanced, like nestable tabs or nestable slider, but on the other hand has pre-built widgets that maybe you can't edit very deep, but are nice. I never use one time I use a list of icons, but never use again to do Figma designs, at least. But this maybe is better, has more advanced deep features like nestables widgets, but it's for both people, for both public. And in EtchWP, in another hand, they are specific thinking synced on people who want who is developer or want to be developer and has really good standards on his development. Okay, so for use EtchWP, you need know the standards or want to know the standards that you will that for build a website. And also, if you are a beginner or developer, you will learn in the way when you build more and more site, because you will do the things writing or see how is writing the code directly on EtchWP. You will learn more in another video that I have about EtchWP, but on the next key difference that we have it, you will understand more. Before continue, if you want to buy EtchWP, you can do below on the comment. I will drop my link there, and this will help me a lot on this channel to support. If you want to take advantage about his lifetime license that it's already and in 15 days will over, so maybe it's a good time to take Etch if you are thinking buy. Okay, another key difference is the workflow that they have it. For one hand, you will see that in Bricks Builder, you will see your widget on the left, your structure on the right. On the top bar, you will have some tools to manage that. But the main key feature is that for a style, okay, for a style your things, you will do with clicking directly on the panel, so like another builders, right? So you will set the colors, you will set the sizes and some stuff directly here. Okay, you will have some styles to do, really advanced things to style. You can manage a lot of the style that the most of the style that you need it, but also later you will need some CSS to do things more advanced. Okay. But the workflow is like another builders. It's first class thinking, so you need to define your classes to have a scalable project, and later edit some stuff from the rest part of the website. It's how you need to do the things. It's not like Elementor that maybe style the things in the ID, in the HTML ID. So Bricks Builder is a first class builder. You will edit and need to define the things, not like global elements, but yes, with class, like you do with custom CSS and custom HTML. And the way that you will style them is from this panel, clicking, okay, and writing in his input. Got it? Okay, and the main key difference with EtchWP and the others builders is that you will have this option, okay, to add the section, and EtchWP don't allow you edit the CSS by ID, so you need to define an ID, okay, doing enter control or command plus enter, and you can add the CSS, the class, sorry. But you will see that here, okay, you have some panels that it's a drag and drop, but you will see that here you can edit the things on the left, the style like bricks, okay, it's similar. But when you define, for example, flex, the property flex here, for example, you add that, and you will notice that here you will see that they write for you the CSS, and you will see the CSS that is written. Also, you will see the element of HTML structure, and also if it has JavaScript, you will see also the JavaScript that it's put on this element. And also, if you want change from here, I will let you know that check this element. If I change and remove that, you will see that is bidirectional. The interaction you will delete, and this is deleted. And if I change to column, for example, you will see that works bidirectional. And this is the main feature that it's a game changer on the market of the builders. And I think that any of builder, at least in WordPress, doesn't have it. And this is the main feature that I want to show you if you are thinking to buy EtchWP or what is the difference with each other. This is the main feature that will change your workflow. And why it is important? That it's important because you will learn the code development at the same time that you are practice and doing the things from here, okay, from the panels like Bricks Builder. But if you want to learn the code, you need to go to the front end, inspect, and see what's happening. And it's not really order the CSS. When you're looking these classes, you will see that it's here. When you have the bricks container, here you have the color. Now I put from ID, but if it was a class, you will see that this is all mixed, okay. But here you will learn for each element what are you doing and what happen if you click or change some stuff. So you will learn the code, how to do it. You will learn the main fundamentals of development if you propose that. Obviously you can do this good with good standard and learn how to do with good standard, or you can do bad that and all your work will break, but you never will learn. So the idea is do a better professional and scale you, and maybe in the future you are a front-end developer and go out from WordPress directly. But this is a really nice feature. And also you can implement AI here, applying doing a consulting in your AI tool that you want, Gemini, ChatGPT, or Cloud, and you can ask them that build something or fix something directly with the code. And if you copy from the HTML directly from the AI, suppose that this is a AI that give you the element. If you copy that and replace here, you will see that this is added directly on the CSS. Now it's with ID, but it's not idea. If the AI do the things well, you can copy directly from here. Okay, this is the main difference with the canvas that you will see directly on his structure, and this is a really nice feature. Also on the future, the tools maybe of the builder or the builders maybe change to that AI feature, maybe go to here. So you have this by default. And the last thing that I want to show you about EtchWP is the authoring converting or authoring blocking. That means that when you build this stuff here on EtchWP, for example, you will see the result on your editor too, okay? This is magical. You will see, and you can edit and give access to your customer to not change anything of your design. You will see that the content is created on the block editor too. This doesn't happen on Bricks Builder, and no, I don't think that has planned happen that, you know, but it's another layer. And this means that maybe on Bricks has locking on the builder, and your data is locking. So if you wanna change the builder, you will lose if you do the things directly on the builder or content, or you manage content there. So this is the last thing that I want to show you, and it's really nice, this feature. Maybe on Bricks you have an add-on to do that. I think that it's working now, but it's not on the core of the plugin. So this is all. It has a lot of features more, but I want to show you this faster, and Bricks has a lot of featured more that Etch doesn't have it, but this is some key feature that I wanna show you. But the last thing is that I wanna tell you is that Brick is a mature product. Okay, it's a mature product, has a time in the market. It's a proved builder, has community, has add-on, has an ecosystem of add-ons that support them. So it's a really nice feature, and already has a WooCommerce integration directly. EtchWP, in another hand, is on alpha. For this reason, has his a lifetime deal that you can take advantage now and book. Do from my link, please, if you want buy that before this change to subscription base. If you are thinking to buy it, the time is now. That I am told you is that Etch is on development. It's not a mature product now. It's on alpha testing, and you can use for live sites, but it's not in beta, it's in alpha. Okay, so this has a long way to do it. Maybe on two years will be a mature product. Okay, but now it really have a really good look, and I will develop my next project of OWP directly on Etch. If you wanna see how to do it, subscribe to my newsletter to notice when I will do this. So this is the last thing that I want to tell you. If you want a part 2 of this video, let me know. I pretend that this video was faster, but let me know if you wanna be more faster. But I did what I can. So see you on the next video, and bye bye.